What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I've been through a lot trying to get this color right, girl. We're gonna talk about it. I know I've been gone for a while as well, girl, but I just add me on IG so you can keep up with me, honestly, because I always post on my stories on IG. But I'm around, I'm here. I have a few videos coming up for you guys. And yes, if you are not a part of the ChicMarieB family, go ahead and join us, girl. We be over here chilling, having a good time, keeping it positive, positive vibes always. And yes, let's jump into this hair. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair. I have some sweet almond oil, girl, which is like gone because I use this a lot. And then I also have the Mega Silk Elements from Sally's. This is a heat protectant spray. So I did use the entire Olaplex line to wash my hair. So this is the entire Olaplex line. I can't like hardly hold it. But just to share with you guys, it's really good if you have colored hair, especially blonde, bleach hair. It really like goes by numbers. So they have a number 3, which is a hair protectant. This is kind of like a treatment you put on your hair prior to washing it. So you wet your hair, you put this one, let it sit for a minimum of 10 minutes. You can let it sit longer. I did this one today, so I liked it. Because I can say I just got my hair recolored, and it breaks off every time I comb it. And I always get shedding, but I just want to keep my hair strong, so that's why I got the entire system. Cool. And these are 3.3 fluid ounces, so you get a good amount of product. Then they also get the shampoo, which is number 4, Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And this is really thick, kind of reminds me of honey for whatever reason. I did like it. I feel like my hair was clean at the end. It does feel like a professional shampoo or professional product, so I'm very happy about that. I also use the Bond Maintenance Conditioner here, which is the number 5. And none of this stuff has like a very loud smell. I guess that's one thing that I may not like about it, because I like stuff to be smelling fat. Okay, but it did seem to really nourish the hair and smooth out the cuticles, because at first my hair was feeling a little riggy rough, and I don't have any breakage when I do that. I feel like at first I was. We'll talk about like my hair color journey as I'm flat ironing my hair. And then the last step is the Bond Smoother, which is a leave-in treatment. I put this in prior to blow drying my hair for the first time today, and it was really good. Now, I had been applying this to my hair, to my curls at night, just because, like I said, it was like breaking off, and I had just got it done. So I wanted to put something in my hair that is going to like save it, So I was applying this, and it did really good on dry hair. Today was the first time I used it on wet hair, girl, and my hair feels really good. Now, I just want to show you guys this. In case you have colored hair, go ahead and check out this Olaplex line. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of sweet almond oil, not too much, and apply it to my scalp and to my strands as well. I'm just picking at my chin, as you can see why it's so red. So with the heat protectant spray, I'm going to just spray it on my hair. Girl, when I first, I had used this a long time ago, and I was spraying each strand, girl. Like when you part, I would part, spray. And that's just like too much. You don't want to weigh your hair down. So we're going to take some of this Silk Elements olive spray and just spray it on the hair. And then we're going to start flat ironing. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to start flat ironing. I have my irons on 405, so not too hot. Like I mentioned, we got this blonde hair now, girl. We do not want it to fall out. And I'll just be doing a nice slick part down the middle look today, because that's what I want to go for. But you guys, so I've been so busy. Like I always say. But I have. So busy. I got my hair colored. I filmed it for you guys and everything. I think in this beginning of this video, I may include some of the beginning footage, but the color did not turn out how I wanted. It was so yellow. Like, I like to get an ash blonde because usually your blonde will probably go a little yellow, you know, just based as you just live through life. So if you get it ash, if it gets a little bit yellow, I don't really mind that because it's like two different colors in one, if that makes sense. So we started out with just lifting the hair a little bit, as well as kind of putting like a toner on there, and I just didn't like it at all. Like after a week, I had washed my hair and then it just was so yellow. It was like gold. It was like, what is this on my head? Like, I was kind of like super over it. So I didn't post that video, clearly, and I didn't really want to film because when I got on camera on my monitor, I had looked like a popcorn head. I looked like Big Bird from the head. I'm just like, this ain't right. So I went back to the lady who did it, who has been doing my hair for a while. She's the one that cut my hair into my style. But we had never done color. I had never gone to her for color before, and I'm like, let me go to her because, you know, let me give her a chance. She can probably slay it. That was my mindset because she usually comes through. So I had gone back and we did some highlights. And then we darkened the roots. Because at first the roots wasn't darkened, and I don't think I like that look. You just be looking blonde, and it's just so much to me. I think when you darken the roots, it makes it look more wearable, and it just looks more natural, and it just looks cute. You know. Versus like back in the day, y'all remember ombre when they used to just really be coloring the tips of the hair. That look is, you know, that's like more of a grown out look. That ain't what I was going for. But this, it's like, you know, to darken the roots so it won't be looking just too much. So I'm really happy with this color now. Hopefully you guys like it too. It was a journey though, and I feel like I went out and purchased the Olaplex because I don't want my hair to fall out. Period. Like with this bleach, child, you have got to take care of your hair because it'll be on the floor. Literally. Especially putting heat in your hair. So you know, of course, I'm going to do some twist outs. I'm about to go out of town. So, I don't feel like playing with the twist out. Because really with the twist outs, you got to twist that every night. At least I do. I don't know how it lasts. So as you can see, the flat irons on 405 is doing great. It's getting nice and straight, and it doesn't need to be all the way up to 450, which I appreciate. And I'm just going to go ahead and just flat iron. So to get my ends even and nice and just healthy, since I got the color, you know, you want to take care of your edges. I just grab the hair and pull it to the side and just clip off the ends. I don't know. I think it's easier to just watch, but I wanted to jump in and let you guys know what I was doing. I'm just getting my hair even, clipping off those dead ends, you know, to color each hair up, girl. And like I mentioned, I'm trying to just keep my hair healthy with this blonde. So this is how I clip my own ends, especially when I wear a part down the middle. It's easiest for me when I'm grooming my ends this way. And you want to make sure to not cut too much. I pull my hands all the way to the ends just to truly get the ends, because I'm not trying to give myself a haircut. And it makes the hair more bouncy, it flows better, and I just love to clip my ends and get them all healthy, period. So this, you guys, is the final look. I you know, slick my edges down or whatever with some of the Style Factor edge control, and I like to put a little neck strip on it to, you know, lay it down, or a scarf or whatever. Neck strips are better because it won't leave all those lines and stuff because it's so thin. But yes, you guys, this is the final look. I am about to go to like a family shindig, and I was gonna do a B face, but girl, we coming regular, okay? I do not feel like doing all of that. You know, I'm just high. You guys have seen me from the start. Y'all don't even need to see me in a B face, honestly. So going just like this. Always feel good enough to wear, you know, your bare skin. And if your skin is not together, go ahead and find your skincare regimen. I did just post a skincare video. If you want to check mine out, I'll link it above. But yeah, girl, you won't always gotta wear makeup and to be cute. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end of the video, comment down below the butterfly emoji, like the little blue one. Yes, comment down below if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video, girl. Peace.